For the first step, start at end A of the cover, grasp one handle in each hand, lift up, and bring the handles together. Then, straighten the center fold and lay the end back down. Next, move to the opposite end and connect ribbon grips, ensuring all layers are lying flat. Smooth and align layers. After that, take the two handles at end B and bring it around to lay flat with the rest of the cover. Next, locate the orange stitch line and fold end B over end A at the orange stitch line. For the last step, fold the ends towards the center. Continue folding ends in until you reach the desired length. As you can see, the Storigami product line's innovative construction allows the cover to fold down to a neat, manageable size, and includes directional guide arrows that highlight key steps to simplify the folding process. This specific design of the mountain and valley seams create an intuitive folding experience for all classic accessories customers.